So funny because there's a fan that blows air here onto your injectors. What is this? 1, 2. This is 3. Okay, so 3. And they're all broke, so I'll have to rewire all of that. 3 and 3. This goes back to the transmission. So, if I bought the injector kit, oh, let's get that. Yeah, let's get that crank angle sensor down there. It sucks. How about belts? Oh, we still got that belt loose because of the fuel rail that goes right there. He's got the fuel filter taken out here. That would go back in here. And then there's a bolt that clamps that. I don't know if he's got that or not. But the fuel rail would connect up to that. I'm going to rerun that anyways, most likely. A return line will be here. Feed line will be here. So this has to be the feed line. And he's got some kind of funky fitting there. Okay.